Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the HOGWORKZ YouTube channel. We are here in the shop here in Michigan, and we're happy to introduce you to our new chopped engine guard. This is going to be available in chrome or black. It's going to come with all the mounting hardware you need to install this. It fits 14 and newer touring models, and the best part about this is you're going to be able to run our chopped chin spoiler as well with this chopped engine guard. Our chopped chin spoilers come in 100 plus OEM color matches, painted right here in Michigan. Let's go ahead and swing over to Alex and he'll show you how to get this on your bike.
All right guys, so we got our chopped engine guard here. Some tools you're gonna need to install it is gonna be a 3/16 Allen wrench, a 1/4 inch Allen wrench, a 7/32 Allen wrench. You'll need a T45, and that's it. All right guys, the first thing you wanna do, if you already have the standard engine guard on there, is go ahead and remove it. And you're gonna do that with a T45 Torx for your lower two screws, and then it'll be a 1/4 inch Allen for your top center screw. All right, to install the new chopped guard, you'll need your 3/16 Allen and a 7/32 Allen. Just go ahead and slide it through, line up your bottom mounts, and it's easiest if you put the center bolts in that go to the cross member first. These are going to be your 3/16 Allens. Just hand tight for now. Then you take your lower mounts, that's 7/32 drive screws, line them up. Tighten them down. And go ahead and repeat on the other side here. And once you got your bottom ones, your bottom mounts tightened up, go ahead and retighten the top. At 35. And you're all set.